Hey, what is up everyone? So for today we're going to be installing some iJDM toy lighting for like the fog light, or I guess they're like switchbacks, DRLs for the 2015 Toyota Camry. So we're going to be doing that. I haven't done these, they look kind of weird. It doesn't seem like we're going to need too many tools, maybe just like a flathead screwdriver. So let's go ahead, start jumping into this, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Basically, inside this hole, you can see that right there. All you gotta do is stick your hand in there, plug it off, and then we're gonna switch into the new one. Also, because these are switchbacks, one thing that I kind of don't like, if you see here, is they kind of don't have the part where they twist on. You just leave it like that, so I don't know how it's gonna hold up. Hopefully it does pretty well. And as soon as you start pulling them out, so because the way that the other lighting is, you kind of want to insert these guys here. I don't know, it doesn't tell you exactly which way is which, so all I gotta say is I hope that I put it in correctly, because that's all it gives me. Also, these are for the switchbacks, which is the extra cabling down there. Now, another thing why I kind of don't like this is because of this. It's very faded. At least you can see the words. All it says is turn the wheel, remove clips, see if you can where you can access the wheelbase. Then from there you can put the stock bulb out. Be sure to only remove the stock glass bulb and not the additional stock socket plug. Yeah. So right here, that's just how it looks like without the switchback. That's when the car's not running. So you can see that that is the amber color that's coming out. So once we hardwire the rest in, which would be this kit right here, we can definitely finish up this whole entire tab. So let me install the other side, and then we'll worry. So for now, I just tossed in the wiring in here down to here because there's one entrance there. Kind of just mainly go through here. We're going to zip tie it afterwards. And you have this last wire, that single wire that goes in there for the extra other one. So we'll see how that turns out in the end. Okay, so the funny part is it says this is the accessory, which I doubt it because this says it's the fan, but it says this is accessory and you should clip it into one of these. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'll put this guy right in here, and then let's hope it actually works, because I think that's what should happen. Okay, so you'll see the big group was right here. Everything is bunched up, so everything that connects is on this end right here. I can access it quickly in case it ever became undone for the soldering joints of the factory or whatnot. Everything leaks down into that pocket there. Then through here, to not hit the fans or get sucked in there for whatever reason, I tried my best to slide it in through here, and then afterwards, same thing. I clipped it onto this clipping point here. That way they're a little bit above the fan. There's minimal slack in this, but everything else kind of like hangs inside that pocket in there. Same over there. And I mean, it kind of looks clean. You don't see anything. And the only tell will be like this wire here. But I can just easily pop this guy open and then just transfer it to the side over here, so that way no one can see it. But that way you can see wire here. Boom. I can just leave it like this, and then now it's tucked in there on that side and no one else can see the wiring. So yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy the install. This was super easy. I had no idea of basically what were the steps to take, only whatever the manual was or the instructions were, which are pretty straightforward. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. Catch you guys in the next one.